Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Still we are discussing the ellipses. And in this part we are going to solve more examples how to find the equation of the ellipse if we know some information of the ellipse. So again we need to find the equation in the standard form of each ellipse given the information provided. In this example number 43 or exercise number 43, we are given the center is 2, 4. Major axis is parallel to the y-axis and of length 10, and the ellipse passes through the point 3 and 3. So we are given the center there. 2, 4, and this is h and k. So we know that h is equal to 2 and k is equal to 4. And also we are given that the major axis is parallel to the y-axis. If we just sketch draft for this one, I have 2 and 4 the center, and the major axis is parallel to the y-axis. So we have vertical ellipse now. Because if we know the direction of the ellipse, we can use the equation of the foci or of the vertices. We know that the major axis has length equal to 10. So major axis of length equal to 10, and it is equal to 2a. This will give me that a equal to 5. So we know that the major axis is equal to 2a. So 10 equal to 2a, that will give me a equal to 5. Now I have a, and we need to find b. Now the standard equation for this ellipse is given by x squared minus h, it is x minus h all to power 2 divided by b squared plus y minus k all square over a square equal to 1, and a must be greater than b. We have h, we have k, we have a, we can find b. Because it's given that this ellipse is passing through 3 and 3. Now passing through the point, it means that I'm going to use x equal to 3, just replace x by 3 and y by 3 in this equation. So I have x, I have h, I have y, I have k, and I have a. We can find b. From this one, we can say that x is equal to 3. So it will be 3 minus h is 2 all to power 2 divided by b squared plus y is equal to 3, given this is y. So it is 3 minus k, k is minus 4 to power all to power 2 divided by a squared, which is 25, is equal to 1. Now 3 minus 2 is 1 square, so I will have 1 over b squared plus 3 minus 4 is minus 1 to power 2 is equal to 1 over 25 is equal to 1. This will give me 1 over b squared equal to 1 minus 1 over 25. So 1 over b squared is equal to 25 minus 1 is 24 over 25. Or just write upside down, or cross multiplication will give me b squared equal to 25 over 24. So I have b squared. It means that the equation now will be written it is x minus h. We say that it is x minus 2 to power 2 over b squared, that is 25 over 24 plus y minus 4 all to power 2 over a squared, that is 25 is equal to 1. So this is the equation in the standard form. X minus 2 all to power 2 divided by 25 over 24 plus y minus 4 to power 2 divided by 25 equal to 1. One more example. Let's find the equation of this given vertices 5, 6, and 5 minus 4, and the foci at 5, 4, and 5 minus 2. So in the first step, we have to determine the direction of the ellipse. Is it vertical or horizontal? From the given point, if we just sketch this on the xy plane, we can know the direction of the ellipse. Is it vertical or horizontal? We are given 5 and 6 at one of the vertices. So let's say this is 5 and 6, just a draft. And the other one is 5 and 4. So this is V1 and this is V2. So it is very clear that this one is vertical. So since it is vertical, the standard equation will be x minus h square over b square plus y minus k square over a square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. So we know the direction of the ellipse is vertical, from which that now we can find all of the missing information. We need to find hk, I need to find a, and I need to find b. For the center, first of all, I need to find h and k. We know that the center is in the midpoint of the major axis, the midpoint. We know that the midpoint, I can say the center, this can be written as V1 plus V2 over 2. It is the midpoint of V1 and V2. Now the midpoint is given by x coordinate divided by 2 and y coordinate divided by 2. So I have 5 plus 5 divided by 2. These are the vertices. 5, x1 and x2 divided by 2, and y1 by. So this is a mistake. It is minus 4. Should be down. So it is 5 plus 5 over 2 and 6 minus 4 divided by 2. So it is 5 and 1. So the center is given by 5 and 1, which is h and k. So we found h and we found k. H equal to 5 and k is equal to 1. More information, we are given that the foci at 5, 4, and 5 minus 2. So F1, we are given F1 is given by 5 and 4. F2 is given by 5 and minus 2. But we know that the focus point is given by 5, or it is h, since this is vertical, it is h and k plus c. F2 is given by h and k minus c. because we know this is a vertical ellipse. The foci are given by h and k plus c and k minus c. From the first one, this will give me h equal to 5. We know that h equal to 5. I will not use this one. I will use 4 and k plus c. So we know it is k plus c equal to 4. And for the second one, k minus c equal to minus 2. But we know that k equal to 1. So if we replace k by 1, either in the first equation or the second equation. In the first equation, if I replace k by 1, this will give me c equal to 4 minus k, that will be equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Second equation will give me the same thing. I have minus c equal to minus 2 minus 1. So minus c equal to minus 3 or c equal to 3. So I have c equal to c either from the first equation or the second equation. Now I have c. We need to find a so that we can find the value of b and write the equation in the standard form. From the vertices, we know that v1 equal to h and k plus a. v1 is given by 5 and 6. From this one, we know that second coordinate equal to the second coordinate, so I can write this one as k plus a equal to 6 or a equal to 6 minus k. This will give me 6 minus k is equal to 1, so it is equal to 5. So I have a equal to 5. I have c equal to 3. We can find b. We know that b square equal to a square minus c square. So a square is equal to 25 minus c square is equal to 9. It is equal to 16. So we have b square equal to 16, and now we can write the equation in the standard form. So the equation the standard form, since it is vertical, it is x square or x minus h to power 2 over b square. Because I have vertical ellipse, the smaller denominator will be under the x variable. Equal or plus y minus k square over a square is equal to 1, which is, it is x minus h. H was equal to 5 all to power 2 over b square. B square we found equal to 16 plus y minus k. K was given by 1, or we found it is equal to 1 square over a square. And we found a equal to 5, so a square is equal to 25. All of these equal to 1. So this is the equation in the standard form of this ellipse. We know some of its information. So it is x minus 5 to power 2 divided by 16 plus y minus 1 to power 2 all divided by 25 equal to 1. And this is the equation in the standard form.